Hey guys! Weird voice. Today, I'm here with Simple Tasks and we're about to show you they're back, better than ever. Present to you
the birds.
Yay! But when I still have my super stretchy glasses on, so that even when I jump out second, they say on super stretchy glasses there.
There's one of them. Oh my gosh.
Let's make it jolly, because Chili responds to his owner. Don't flatten. Cover it. I have to cover that. No, I'm going to keep it closer. Oh. Chili, don't flutter. Don't.
No.
Ta-da! 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 No, it's just so bad, Chili.
I'm trying to catch him.
Now guys, I will show you my I can get them to fly. Watch this. If they would just come here. I got Chili, I'll get Chili. No. Now guys, watch this. Chili, cage. 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 You want Chili, if I have to hold you by the wings, I will do it. I'm going to teach. If he flies again, I'll have. Guys, if he flies again, I'm sorry, but I'll have to hold him by the way.
No.
See, he's not flying because he knows what's going to happen. Chili, cage. And we got the little sitting seats here. Yay. Just in case we get tired during a video in here, we put in sitting seats.
Oh, and please check out Bear Park. It's a YouTube channel. My sister is getting me off. I want to change it so much.
Kieran must have changed his channel. If you know how to change his channel, your channel name, please leave it in the description below, because I'm not very good at explaining it.
I just for shade, I got a party bag. Nothing happened.
Okay. Weird. Let's go back to the bird.
After I open this lolly.
Now this here powder in my hand is off. This here block which they use to sharpen the bait. But if a bird be bad, you just have to throw it on the back of them and they'll stop instantly. Or fly away, I'm going off.
Did you see that?
Ow.
I will get some of that.
Done. Flying powder.
On the fit mark.
Ow. So sore.
You should eat a pot.
What?
I ain't in powder. Oh, you should do
No, guys. I'm gonna get more of this butter. A lot more. Oh, why am I getting no butter? Hey, alright guys, I'm going to demonstrate what happens when a bird gets hit by all this. Oh, it hit me in the eyes. But I want glasses. How is that possible? You do not know. You done it. You done it, Chili. Nope, you done it. What am I gonna get? and demonstrate if they get it a wee bit more on the back. Come here. You're being very naughty, you know that? I think he decided to fly away since he got hit by that powder. He was on the ground and I started rubbing my hands with the powder and the powder fell on him. 5 minutes this has took already. Wow. We're very slow. Now to examine the birds up closely. So I will try to bring the bird till he's here. Show him. Oh look! Kieran's already provided the perfect time for me. Georgia, look at him. I'm going after. Don't. And what a surprise he didn't. You have them both of them?
Here's one.
Which one's that? That's my birdie. I can tell that it's missing. Lauren. Time for the test. Don't put him on the cage yet. I need him. No, guys, I'm about to show you. I sprinkle a wee. No, it's okay. You want some? You want some powder? I sprinkle a wee bit. There. There. Fine, guys. This has been a boring video, but I thought I'd bring the birds back. No, we need a cloth or something. Okay, we need a cloth. I know what to do. I'm turning around the camera so you do not see this. Kieran, distract them with the birds. Go distract them, but I have to do some.
So the part like this, and that's what Keelan was putting over chili on Jojo.
Okay.
From your cage.
We're trying to need to find some no more powder bits on them. What's blocking you from doing it?
Okay guys, this is going to be the end of this video. Please smash that like button with your face, but don't break it. And leave a like. I'll see you guys later.
Bye.
Bye.